Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to deposit check using the Lloyds mobile banking app. So Lloyds Bank does not offer a mobile check deposit feature through its mobile banking app. However, this information might have changed since then, so it's best to check the most current version of the Lloyds mobile banking app or the website for any update or available feature including mobile check deposit. If the Lloyds Bank has introduced mobile check deposit functionality, the process typically involves first of all logging into your Lloyds mobile banking app. So when you open up your application, this is basically how it's going to look like. Now press on the login button and then enter in your credential and you'll be logged into your account. When you're logged in, look for an option related to mobile check deposit, which may be labeled as deposit check or check deposit in the main menu page. Now follow the on-screen prompt or instruction to select the account, enter the check amount and capture the image of the front and the back of the check using the device's camera itself. And you can review the details and submit the check deposit. Receive the confirmation of the deposit and the fund will typically be credited to your account within the certain time frame. If you're unable to find mobile check deposit functionality in the Lloyds Bank or you have any, I would recommend contacting Lloyds Bank directly or checking the website for assistance. Now they can provide you with the most up-to-date information, mobile banking feature and help you with any inquiries you may have. So that's how you can deposit check using Lloyds mobile banking app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next